Hello, my students. Today, I'm going to be doing practice reading from my Total English textbook. To do practice reading, I'm going to keep a few things with me. First, I'm going to have a few different highlighters, and next, I'm going to have my colored pencil ready so that I can mark what I'm reading. First, I'm going to mark words using blue if I don't know what they are. Let's read them first. Braille. Well, I'm not sure what this is. Is a reading and writing system for blind people. I'm not sure what blind means. What's blind? They read Braille with their fingers. Look at the dots below. Dots. What are dots? One Braille letter has 1 to 6 dots. For example, the letter D has 3 dots, 1, 4, and 5. We use the capital sign for capital letters. What's capital pointing to? I see that twice here. Can you read this word? Yes. The answer is Japan. We use the number sign for numbers. Look at these dots. Can you read this? Those dots show the number 365. We also have Braille for music. We use Braille letters from D to J. For example, the letter D is for the do sound. We have Braille in Japanese too. You can find Braille on elevator buttons, vending machines. What's this? Vending machines, and many other things. Look for Braille around you. Now I'm finished reading, and it's time for me to check words. I'll use my dictionary, and I'll write notes in the paper. Now I'm finished checking the words. I learned that Braille is the system of writing that uses dots. This is Braille. Next, I learned that blind means cannot see. People who are blind read with Braille because they cannot see. I learned that dots means small circles. There are 6 dots here. There are 3 dots here. I learned that capital means the large letter. This is a capital A, and this is a lowercase a. This is a capital B, and this is a lowercase b. I learned that vending machines are the machines that we can buy drinks from on the street. You put money in, and a drink comes out. Now it's time for me to read a second time. This time, I'm going to use my other colored highlighters to mark the main ideas and the supporting points. Braille is a reading and writing system for blind people. They read Braille with their fingers. Look at the dots below. One Braille letter has 1 to 6 dots. For example, the letter D has 3 dots. What's the main idea? What's the most important point? I think it's this sentence. How about a supporting point? Which sentence tells us about this first sentence? I think this sentence and this sentence. On this page, the important point is, the main idea is, Braille is a reading system for blind people, and there are 2 supporting points. They read Braille with their fingers. One Braille letter has 1 to 6 dots. Now I'll read the next page. We use the capital sign for capital letters. Can you read this word? Yes, the answer is Japan. We use the number sign for numbers. Look at these dots. Can you read this? Those dots show the number 365. What are the main ideas here? I think there are 2. First, that we use capital sign, and next, that we use the numbers sign. Those are the main ideas. Now I'll read the next page. We also have Braille for music. We use Braille letters from D to J. For example, the letter D is the do sound. We have Braille in Japanese too. You can find Braille on elevator buttons, vending machines, and many other things. Look for Braille around you. What are the important points here? I think there are 2. First, I think that this is important. We also have Braille for music. And I also think the important point, which sentence is important? I think they're both important, but I'm going to choose the main idea as being this and this. I think these are both very important points in this reading. Now, I'm finished. I've read 2 times, I've marked the words I don't know, and I've marked the main idea and supporting points.